Why are first-generation antipsychotics less effective for some schizophrenia symptoms? Imagine trying to fix a complex machine with only one tool. That's similar to how first-generation antipsychotics work for schizophrenia. They mainly target a specific part of the brain's chemistry. These medications focus on blocking dopamine D2 receptors to reduce dopamine activity. This approach works well for positive symptoms like hallucinations and delusions, which are caused by too much dopamine in certain brain pathways. But schizophrenia isn't just about dopamine overactivity. It also involves other brain circuits that control emotions, motivation, and thinking. Negative symptoms like emotional withdrawal, lack of motivation, and social withdrawal are linked to problems in the brain's mesocortical pathway. First-generation antipsychotics don't do much to help these symptoms because they mainly block dopamine in the mesolimbic pathway. In fact, blocking dopamine in the mesocortical pathway can make negative symptoms worse or cause new ones to appear. This is because dopamine in this pathway is important for feeling motivated and emotionally connected. When these medications block dopamine here, they can unintentionally impair these functions further. Plus, first-generation antipsychotics don't significantly affect other brain chemicals involved in negative and cognitive symptoms. For example, serotonin, another neurotransmitter, plays a role in mood and thinking. Second-generation antipsychotics, also called atypical antipsychotics, target both dopamine and serotonin receptors. This broader action helps them improve not just positive symptoms, but also negative and cognitive issues. In practical terms, first-generation antipsychotics are still useful for controlling acute psychosis and positive symptoms. But because they don't address all aspects of schizophrenia, doctors often add or switch to second-generation drugs for a more complete treatment. These medications tend to have fewer movement side effects because they don't block dopamine in the nigrostriatal pathway as strongly. So, the main reason first-generation antipsychotics are less effective for some symptoms is that they mainly target dopamine overactivity linked to positive symptoms. They don't help much with negative symptoms or cognitive issues because those involve different brain pathways and chemicals. That's why newer medications with broader effects are often preferred for managing the full range of schizophrenia symptoms.